This child needs a home, sweet little Jesus needs our hearts, for there's no more place for him on earth. Let's all open our hearts and welcome the Son of God. It's Christmas time, children have fun. It's Christmas time, joy to everyone. But what have we done to please our God? Let this Christmas bring peace on earth. What is Christmas? We hate our neighbors and blind to see the poor. Have we lent our helping hand to those who are in need, to those who are in need. It's Christmas time, children have fun. It's Christmas time, joy to everyone. But what have we done to please our God? Let this Christmas bring peace on earth. The King of all has come to the earth to save us from our sin. And a manger he was born in Bethlehem. It's Christmas time, children have fun. It's Christmas time, joy to everyone. But what have we done to please our God? Let this Christmas bring peace on earth. Let this Christmas bring peace on earth. Christmas is all about helping one another and pray for all those who have suffered and let them feel the change. Let them feel the change.